So you might be trying to figure out how you can get threads on Instagram. Now, what does this mean? Well, basically, you have your little threads, application that just came out, and some people might be thinking that threads is actually built into Instagram. That is not the case. Threads is a completely separate application. So in order to actually use it and get into it, what you're going to want to do is you want to go ahead and essentially get into your Apple App Store or your Google Play Store. So find your App Store, your Google Play Store, and all we're going to want to do is search up the Threads application. So come here inside of your Apple App Store, Google Play Store, like I mentioned, type in Threads like you normally would, and all you're going to want to do here is go ahead and download and install this specific application. And it really is that basic. Now, once you go ahead and install it, what you want to do is you want to open it up, and you'll come here. Now, it'll go ahead and tell you if you want to log in with a certain account. I'm going to go ahead and just log in with this account because it's going to make things easier. And once you log in, you'll see that it'll tell you some information. For this point, I'm just going to skip all this stuff, but I would recommend going through. I'm going to go and make a public profile just like I did before. I can follow the same accounts if I want to. I can go ahead and after reading this, I would recommend reading all of this. I can join Threads, and you will see that if you go and allow it, you'll basically be able to see a panel that looks very similar to something like Twitter. It's almost like Twitter and Instagram, which is actually kind of interesting. So as of this point, that's pretty much it. That's how you can get Threads on Instagram. And remember, this is a completely separate application than Twitter and Instagram. So you can edit this however you want to. And I'll have a video very soon showcasing how to use this application. So that's pretty much how it's done. If you have any other thoughts or questions, let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that would mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out till then.